What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Built. We have a MK3 Supra with us today. No, we are not a Supra channel. No, we're not a JDM channel. We would love to see your car. So if you have something else besides this, or hey, if you have another Supra, send me an email at ian@threepiece.us. Otherwise, let's get right into it. If you guys want to introduce yourself, who are we here with today?
I'm Sahib Singh, MK3's life.
I'm Cam.
I got it about 6.5 years ago, abandoned in a full grass field. And it was just wheels were down, all were down to the ground.
So this is almost like a full restoration then.
Basically, it is.
That's cool. That's even more credit to it, especially. Is this the original paint?
This is the modified paint.
Okay.
We got that idea from 1992 teal, and I wanted to modify the teal into a green teal. So sometimes when it's rolling, it looks blue, but when it's closer, it looks
so you guys changed the stock paint then?
We changed the stock paint.
That's awesome. I personally like to see paint rather than the wrap, so that's cool.
Yes.
Is there a certain reason why you picked the MK3 Supra?
Yes, there's a big reason, because these are basically the underdogs. Not so much anymore.
Not so much anymore. That's
because the community is rising up super high, and these cars are getting a lot more attention than it used to be. So I hopped on to the body style that really took away my soul.
Yeah,
how much you get it for?
Or
you're not gonna.
Okay, now that's a real question.
If you want to give us a range, even like
4 digits.
Good negotiation.
He didn't even say number. He just said 4 digits. Okay.
Awesome.
All right.
Supras are gold now, and it's a gold break.
That's awesome. And I mean, these were never ugly in my mind. They just weren't.
They never were.
Never got the attention.
Right when you see the highlights go up, and
pop-ups are
they're just like smiling.
Some things do look not so stock, right?
Yep.
I mean, we've already talked about the paint.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about the carbon fiber? What's going on here?
We got a Advan carbon fiber hood. This is carbon fiber. And I also have the B pillars carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Come on in. Check out the headlight covers. Carbon fiber.
Oh, I love that.
Wow.
Those are carbon fiber.
So an interesting thing you said was that a lot of these pieces aren't actually from the same year, correct?
Yes. First of all, the car is one of the first batches, 1986.5, before even the 1986 year dropped in. These were one of the first ones to came out of factory. From the front to the mirrors are from 1989. And then coming back here, I have the wing from 1998, specifically when you can see the third brake light on the wing. Tail lights are from 1992. The bumper is also from 1992. The rest is stock body. The rest is all stock.
Wow.
So you basically just picked pretty much every aesthetic piece from throughout the years,
from each year
and
that
just
I liked about those.
That's cool.
That's
Yes.
cool.
And that's something that you can really do with these older cars. You can't do with today's cars.
You
right?
can, like all the models, they change so quick.
They
The bumper don't fit, the sides don't fit, this and that.
Literally, the
But
Mustangs and Camaros.
Yeah.
We do see the wheels.
Yes. Those aren't new wheels, are they?
these are old school, discontinued.
Old school.
These are out of the game, but they get the game going.
Let's get the party started.
Let's get the party started.
So for the untrained eye and someone that doesn't know JDM wheels all that well, what kind of three-piece wheels are these?
2-piece.
Oh.
Okay, never mind.
right.
I'm the untrained eye here. All right.
These are Volk GT-C, and they're wrapped by Falken.
All right. And would you want to disclose, the specs for these, or? All right. He's gatekeepers.
Actually,
All
I think I did see your post where you're like, here, I'm about to tell you.
Oh yeah. Rain guards are from a real JZ70.
Okay,
So
well.
let's get to suspension. What kind of suspension are you rocking on this?
What kind of suspension are you on?
I have TN Flexi coilovers, and it does have a big brake kit from S550 Mercedes.
What? You said
Right now-
S550 Mercedes.
Yes, sir. And it has a 350Z rotors.
Oh, dang! He's just taking everything now. huh?
Everything.
little bit of spices from everywhere.
So brakes from an S550, rotors from a 350Z. So what kind of engine do you have then? Please don't tell me it's an engine from a 350Z.
Engine from the motherland.
Okay.
Japan.
All right. Let's pop this
All
up.
right, let's
Pop the hood.
pop the hood. There we go.
So this is definitely not a 7M.
Not a 7M, no more.
Ooh.
That was close.
Too close.
No more 7M, and no more 7M problems.
Yeah, you want to tell us what this is? 7M problems.
This actually are the perfect drop-in engines for these chassis, because in Japan they came in non-VVTi, and I wanted to do a VVTi version of the same spec as of a JZ70, and with the R154 turbo trans, of course. Not like all the other W58 out here.
I have a W58 in my GS, so I feel the pain, but I'm not running any kind of horsepower. It's like negative 200, right?
Yeah, W58s are cool. They're cool cruisers.
It works for what I'm trying to do.
Yeah,
But
okay.
I mean, the better chance is, you know, is what's in this right now.
So the engine is from late model Chasers, JZ70 110. As you can see, you don't see any plugs, harnesses.
Cut to Ace's SC300 with all the wires and everything. I had to.
So,
hey, he pointed it out himself.
So it has a Bluetooth harness.
So it's honestly, it's more than just dropping an engine. The fact that you cleaned it up makes this thing look so much better.
They come front sump, so you have to do a rear sump swap to drop it in. So that way, just get the motor mount for MK3 and direct drop in with the rear sump. So that's the conversion you have to do for the motor to sit in. And then just a JZ bell housing. If you have an R154 out of a turbo model Supra, you just need to swap the JZ bell housing, and that connects with your transmission, and your motor's mated with everything else ready to go. You just need a drive shaft and then wire it up and do all the plumbing.
You make it seem too easy.
Yeah, you make it way too seem
Yeah.
too easy.
This was made from Humble Engineering, Ryan Lakes. Huge shout out to my boy for fabbing that up in titanium. Suspicious for making all these AN fitting lines and even modifying the power steering pump and the feed and return. Everything is AN. Same with the alternator relocation bracket. He has all the JZ, RB, S chassis, and like Skyline Chaser parts. Like if you guys need anything, hit up Suspicious Garage on his website or Instagram. Like he'll take care of you guys.
All right, and then I mean, I didn't know this, and neither did Nico, because we're not, you know, a huge
S chassis,
Nissan
yeah.
S chassis. There's something here. If someone does know this chassis that doesn't belong here, I don't know if you guys can point it out. You
The
guys wanna-
power steering reservoir.
Hey, if it works, right?
It works perfectly fine. Honestly, the point was to keep everything leveled, and
Ah.
Oh, okay.
there was a purpose, because everything as fluid wise it stays level.
And all the fluid is just in one corner. Master,
corner. 1, 2,
cylinder,
3.
and everything is in
I
there.
like
Wow.
that. I like
1,
that.
2, 3.
It's like little attention to detail that I feel like a lot of people wouldn't do when doing a 1J swap.
Yeah. Feels
It's more
longer, but
rewarding,
it's
too.
not that long. It's just
Yeah.
like put a little bit of beauty into it. It just requires a little bit more research, and with the right people, it's always possible.
How much power are you making?
We are making about 4 something horses.
Which is more than
More than enough for the street,
Enough
I would
for the
say.
street, yes.
It's a lot for the streets if you know how to handle it
Yeah.
right. It's fun all day, all night.
Do you mind me? How much does it weigh then? Do you know, or like what
It's
a
a big
Mark?
boat.
What a Mark
It's-
III?
It's a big boat. It weighs a lot.
It's one heavy ass spaceship. Bro.
Is it? Do you think it's more? Because my Mustang's 3,700.
How much you say the Mustang weigh?
It's like
What is this, like
3,750.
So we're gonna fat shame your Mustang right now.
Yeah, 3,400 pounds. Okay, that's actually a lot heavier than I thought it would be. But that's still lighter than my
That's
Mustang.
still pretty light. you
Which
know?
my Mustang's at about 500, and that feels fast. This is about, you said 4,
Yeah, 4-ish.
4-ish, and about 300 pounds lighter. Weight matters, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Well, just don't look at me. Do you want to turn it on for us so we can hear it?
Yes, sir.
You want to let it warm up a little bit before you?
Oh, this thing? I don't even know what about.
God, I love that sound. All right, now we have to go back to the interior.
I know.
I know,
We should
I
have
know,
saved
I
that
know.
for the end. Okay. But the interior is not boring, though.
No, it's not.
We-
What's that?
Wait,
Hey.
After you just
Wait.
beat the out of it,
After
what'd you say that?
What'd you say?
This is my daily driver. I drive this thing almost every day.
Want to open it up for us?
Yes, sir.
Let's check it out.
Or from 1989, full interior. Interior
Honestly,
wise,
no, yeah. Jesus Christ. For how old the car is, the dash is really nice. There's no cracks.
Yeah.
The dash is repolished. Interior-wise, this is a true JZ70 Momo steering wheel. The center lid is original from 1992. See the little bit of my dog's love right there? I never cared because that thing has memories to me. And even my dog rides with me on the other side. Crazy ass little multi-poo. I don't care if how well he plays in the car, jumps back and around. I love it. I don't care about if there's somebody trying to eat snacks or with foods or drinks, I'll get the out of the car. And interior mods wise, I have climate switch, carbon fiber, radio bezel, carbon fiber, ashtray, carbon fiber, center console, carbon fiber, and it has a ready shift knob, and everything else is stock. And also I have auto extrude. No, this is not auto extrude. The company changed. Fuck, man. He sold that. Cut it. They sold the company already.
So it's just another case of, you want to know where it's from? The company's gone. It burned down.
The factory's done for. It's all over. You can't get it.
It's one of one. You can't get it anymore.
Yep. Probably more comfortable than my Mustang seats, I'll be honest. This doesn't, okay, so problem with American cars from like the 90s, early 2000s is how bad their interiors are. Because they're straight out of the trucks. Like the trucks have the same interior as the cars do. Japanese cars never did that. I love how the gauges, you'll have to get a video of this, the gauges are tilted towards the driver too.
Yes, the whole instrument cluster, it's very well balanced. Everything in order.
And honestly, I hope people watch the video. They're, you know, people are skeptics about the Mark III, right? Like they're oh, it's not a Mark IV. Oh, it's not in the Fast and Furious movie, blah blah blah, right? I feel like hopefully they watch this and they're like, okay, wow, this actually, you can do a lot to the Mark III Supra.
Make them sound good, you can make them look good, and it's all about your own perspective, how much love you put into it. Purpose behind the car to not make it look like it's too much. You know, one of those IS side skirts, they just look like too much. Like
the BN.
Man, I did have an auto shine lip, but the way I drive this thing every day, you guys know the California roads. And
Auto Shine actually makes some really good stuff.
If anybody sees that on a 57 North, that was my lip.
You wanna show us what this thing can do?
Oh yeah, that's what I'm here for.
All right.
The car's ready to dance.
Bro, I was lost. I literally was lost in the smoke.
Oh my goodness.
No, dude, I couldn't see.
Wow.
Bro, I was walking out and I ran into the fence.
Yeah. How'd it do?
Pretty good.
Thank you guys so much for coming. This thing is insane. The whole video is insane, especially the driving part. Oh my goodness. If you guys like this one, if you want your car to be on our series Built, send me an email, ian@threepiece.us, title it Built. We'd love to get your car on the channel. If they want to find you guys, where can they check out Instagram, or if they want to follow the build?
You guys already know, this bad boy, MK3's life.
You can catch us on Daily Rooms.
Really cool channel. They post, you guys post more than just this car. You post a lot of other cars, stuff working on cars. It's a really cool variety of stuff, mostly JDM though, right? Or all JDM, right? Awesome. Again, appreciate you guys for coming. If you guys like this content, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. I love that sound. The turbo flutter is awesome.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
This is my signature move.